Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today News. Contrary to media reports, there'll be no review of taxi fares. This is announced by the Chief Executive Officer of the Land Transport Authority, Naisa Tuinadeva.
With the recalibration of taximeters around the country this month, CEO LTA Naisa Tuinadeva says the authority is urging all taxi drivers who have not calibrated their meters to do so, adding that there will not be a review on the current taxi fares.
LTA, our job is to regulate. That is what we know at the moment. We have no idea at all about the review of fare. No. As far as we are concerned, our job is to calibrate the meter. Our job is to test all the meters, to seal them, and to make them run on the road. And our job too is to police the law. There's already been a fare, a level given, and our job is to see that all taxi operators are charging that fare.
The conceptualization and implementation of such e-ticketing has required thinking outside the box and planning for the future. This is similar to the new fare agreement between government and taxi operators. It is unfortunate that the analysis of this agreement by certain sections of the media and a few individuals have been limited. They have failed to recognize, amongst other things, that taxis are a mode of choice transportation as opposed to buses and minibuses, which are affordable and overall fuel efficient.
Taxi fares on November 7 had increased by double the amount, less the flagpole.
We'll be back after the break.